So this is America Fresh Tide. This is the only Tide that I use. And what I like about this Tide is that it has softener added. So this size I have is in 2.2 pounds. It's supposed to be stored in a dry place. It is a biodegradable Tide, which means it can be broken down to prevent pollution. What I really like about this Tide is that it gives a good fragrance on your clothes. I'm always into floral fragrances, so I like the fact that when I use this Tide on my clothes, it gives my clothes a nice, fresh, floral fragrance. Another thing I really like about this Tide is that it is affordable and it lathers up easily. It lathers really well. It's not harsh on my clothes. So I've used other Tide products in the past, right? And what I notice about other Tide products is that a lot of them out there, they're not really gentle on fabric. So yes, I would definitely recommend this Tide. This is basically the only Tide I use. The other Tides that I've tried in the past would break me out. Like I would get like red bumps, itchy bumps on my skin. But what I find with this Tide, America Fresh, is that it just works great overall. Like it still gives a nice fragrance on my clothes. It's affordable and it keeps my clothes smelling good.